So the last week was a pretty dull week, and which is why I did not post any specific view on what we should be doing on the markets. But so it's been pretty passive. So in this market, it's better to stay and watch because you're gonna get stocks at much lower levels. However, I see the trend continuing this week. What we are seeing today is that the FIIs are net sellers in this market, and that's been the case for the last 4 weeks. And we are seeing direct institutional investors investing. So that's relatively cushioning the fall. But for that, you should have seen Sensex at 31,000 by now. But I see this trend reversing in the next couple of weeks. So you wouldn't have the domestic investors cushioning the markets anymore. So there will be a saturation point when they will stop buying, and therefore you will see much lower levels in the market. For the next week, there are a couple of stocks which are looking promising. Grasim has consolidated, is available at 1100 levels, so it's good buy at 1080 with a target of 1120 on a weekly basis. I'm continuing my call on Kovai Hospitals. Kovai Hospitals has been a pretty good stock from one of the cheapest stocks available in the hospital segment, in the healthcare segment. As compared to Apollo Hospitals, it's available at a much discounted price, and therefore it's a good stock to buy for the short term. It's a good stock to buy for the long term as well. The third is more from an FMCG play. We're not seeing much of selling in stocks like Marico. Mainly FMCG stocks are not selling in this market. So you're seeing range bound movements in stocks like Marico between 300 levels and 315. So it's a good buy at levels of 300 to 302, and then you can probably sell it around 310 to 350 from a short-term perspective. From the long-term perspective, it's better not to accumulate stocks right now. You would see much lower levels in the immediate term, so therefore wait for the fall. But if you really need to capitalize on every fall, every high and trough, this would be probably a better week to trade in. So from my weekly trade perspective, there are two stocks which I am continuing to be bullish on. One is Marico, buy at 300 to 302. The second is Grasim, buy at around 1080 with a target of 1120. Thanks.